Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Mr. J the Explorer. We heartily welcome you. It's an awesome time. Yes, looking at my attire, what do you think? Mr. J is bringing to you which kind of exploration, which place exploration? Can you guess it? Most of you probably have guessed it. Absolutely, it's going to be Goa. Goa, Goa. It's such an awesome place to explore. Fantastic it is. Just lovely, just entertaining it is. So we are going to explore this time around Goa, and Mr. J had stayed in Goa for a period of 4 nights and 5 days. So this exploration is going to be thoroughly entertaining, absolutely entertaining, and you will enjoy all the 5 episodes. You will watch it over and over because it is so much going to be exciting. So Mr. J stayed in South Goa, and we are going to explore most part of the South Goa and some part of North Goa. So you are going to get both the sides of Goa, that is the North Goa and the South Goa, in this exploration. So what Mr. J has explored, I am not going to disclose in this video, but rather you witness it in all the 5 episodes. Yes, I know as a Mr. J follower, you are going to enjoy it thoroughly, all the 5 videos without missing any one of them, because Goa is such an awesome place, because you can't miss any of it. Yeah, come on, it's such a fantastic place over there that if you are going to visit next time around, you should watch this video to plan your trip in a better way. So yes, I know you are eager to get on the ride with Mr. J on this Goa exploration to celebrate Goa. So starting from day 1, it's going to be the drive, an awesome drive from Mumbai to Goa. So let's celebrate Goa. Goa, Goa. So did you enjoy the drive from Mumbai to Goa? Yes, it was a fantastic drive. Starting at 8 AM from Panvel, we reached Goa by around 5 PM, and along the route we could experience different climatic conditions such as rainy, foggy, sunny. Wow, and driving through those climatic conditions was just fantastic. So we reached Goa via Mumbai-Bangalore highway. We took a turn from Belgaum. From Belgaum we visited Chorla Ghat. From Chorla Ghat we entered into Goa. At the Karnataka and Goa border, we had a thorough check with respect to RT-PCR negative report we were carrying, and they checked it and they allowed us to enter Goa. And there we were in Goa. Wow, finally we reached it. And first thing what we did by reaching Goa, yes, we visited Mangeshi Temple, an amazing temple. So let's check it out, the Mangeshi Temple. I'm sure you must have enjoyed Lord Mangesh temple visit. Yes, Lord Mangesh represents the avatar of Lord Shiva. The premises of the temple was absolutely clean and the ambience was absolutely devotional. The premises also caters a washroom and a cafeteria. From the parking area to the temple premises, we can experience a flea market. So if you are also interested to do some kind of a shopping, you can do it over here. So after taking the blessings from Lord Mangesh, we proceeded towards our stay facility. So now let's check it out where Mr. J did stayed for his 4 nights and 5 days. So how did you find it, the villa? It is just lovely, isn't it? Yes, indeed it was. So this was a 3 BHK row house villa with a pool, and it was just lovely. So we checked into this particular villa by around 6:30 p.m. The villa had all kinds of amenities such as full-fledged kitchen, air condition in all the rooms, including the living room, including the lounge. It had a good dedicated parking space, terrace, balcony, backyard. It was a complete package, and of course the pool. So after getting refreshed at a villa after a long drive, taking the blessings from Lord Mangesh, we had a shower, we had a good time in the villa. So this villa is located near to the Vaka beach in South Goa. Mr. J booked this property through Airbnb platform. I am going to share the details of this in the description box. Do check it out if you wish to book this property. By the time it was 8 p.m. and our tummies were hungry and we needed to get our tummy filled, we wanted to visit a very good restaurant in South Goa, and we did visited it. So which restaurant it was? Check it out. The restaurant was Martin's Corner. Did you enjoy that particular song? Watching that particular song, did you yourself get into that song? Absolutely, we did enjoy that kind of ambience at Martin's Corner. This time around, as the pandemic situation is getting relaxed and Goa is getting ready to absorb more and more tourists, we were lucky to have just 10 to 15 minutes of waiting time to get our dining place. Otherwise, this place is pretty crowded and you need to wait approximately 45 minutes to 60 minutes to get your table. It is so well known in this part. Lot of celebrities have visited this place. Not only the ambience, the food taste was also good. The food, the way that it was presented to us in a dish, it was also awesome. So if you are in South Goa and that too on weekend, make sure that you are going to visit Martin's Corner to enjoy your meal. The live music at Martin Corner is only operated on weekends and it starts from 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. Make sure that you visit Martin's Corner. You will definitely enjoy it and you will definitely thank Mr. J. So how did you find day 1, part 1 of Goa exploration? We started from Mumbai to Goa. We visited Lord Mangesh temple. We checked into the property. We visited at Martin's Corner to fill our tummies. That was day 1 for you, and I hope you must have enjoyed the day 1 exploration and you will be excited what is stored in day 2. So if you're really excited, if you like this particular video, do click on the like button, share as much as you can. What did you feel about this place? Write in the comment box. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel till now, what are you waiting for? Just subscribe it. So till our next exploration, take care, goodbye from Mr. J, the Explorer, the YouTube channel. Bye bye.